Today, we celebrate the incredible work of nonprofits around the world. At Lorex, we believe everyone deserves security, especially those who dedicate their lives to helping others. Our nonprofit program empowers community organizations to protect valuable resources, deter crime, and create safer environments. With special discounts on our top-of-the-line security products, Lorex is here to support your mission. Join the Lorex family and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your organization is protected. Whether you're a faith-based organization, a social service provider, or an education and childcare center, Lorex has the perfect security solution for you. Our security systems help deter crime, assist in incident investigations, and protect your staff and volunteers. But that's not all. A portion of every nonprofit sale is donated to support children's education, helping create brighter futures for the next generation. Your purchase makes a difference. Together we can create a safer, brighter future. Lorex, protecting what matters most.